Okay, get ready. Ren 9 to 16. Which Ren point is regarded as the master point for water metabolism on the conception vessel?
What?
Battery for Red 9.
Yes, for edema. A patient presents with generalized edema due to kidney yang deficiency. Which point combination is most appropriate?
Kidney deficiency is Red 9 to kidney 7.
Ren 9 plus kidney 7. Ren 12 is classified as all except.
A.
Si Red 9, prop mo yan. Influential din
Oh,
yan. Nagbi-meeting
also
rin
the
yan sa
front.
entrance sa Kasanjaw.
It
Blue
is not.
connector point to ang sagot.
Yes, except yan, okay? Which Ren point treats the fundus of the stomach?
Stomach, Red 13.
Yes, you should try this. It's so effective for GERD, no? Ren 13. You needle also Ren 12. Which point is considered the frontmost point of the heart?
Red 14, Doc.
Which point is the Lu connecting point of the Ren vessel?
Red vessels. Red 15.
Okay, so that means if you needle Ren 15, you're affecting the governing vessel, okay? A patient suffers from obsessive thinking, excessive worry, poor digestion. Best point.
Best point for ano, no? Sobrang worry, spleen and stomach to eh. Red 12.
Ren 12.
Red 12.
Which point lies 5 tsun above the umbilicus?
Believe it goes taas. Red 13.
Yeah, 8 plus 5. Remember, 8 is the umbilicus plus 5, 13. Okay.
13.
Which Ren point is the strongest action for rebellious stomach chi, presenting as persistent hiccups and acid reflux?
Magaling to sa Red 13 sa ganyan.
This is so effective. Which point should never be needled superiorly because of risk to the heart?
Siyempre, madelikado to, no? Red 14. Tatama si Laxen Heart.
Hindi siya pataas ha. When you say it should not be needled going to the
Pahiga to, Doc. Pahiga.
pahiga.
Yung
Yeah.
ano, towards sa ano, sa...
Superiorly towards the head. No, you don't do it towards the head
Mm.
because you might need the heart. Ren 14. Okay. The classical function of Ren 9 includes assisting the small intestine in
small intestine. Separating clear from the turbid.
which point is indicated for food stagnation with impaired gastric emptying. Actually, may halitosis yung mga ganyan. Saka ang kapal ng coating sa tongue, white coating. So, what is the point?
Gastric, no? Ren 10.
Ano yun, hula? Alam mo talaga. You go. Sorry. Yeah. Ang galing, grabe. Yeah. Food stagnation, Ren 10. That's only 2 tsun from the above the umbilicus. Which point is known as the influential point of the Fu?
CB12 or Ren 12?
A patient has anxiety, palpitations, insomnia, and phlegm obstructing the heart orifices. Which point is most directly indicated?
Pinag-uusapan system. Ren 15.
Wow. Which Ren point has the English name? Central Courtyard.
Central. Direct, Doc, ano yan? Hindi ko alam eh.
Yes.
Ren 14?
No, Ren 16.
50. 16 pa? Oh.
Which point primarily regulates accumulations within the chest rather than digestive disorders?
Chest. Because Ren 16?
Yes, central courtyard. A patient has edema, urinary retention, and ascites. So manas na manas. Which
Ren
point
9.
is most... Wow, very good, fast. Which point is located fortune above the umbilicus? Easy.
Ren 12.
Ren 20.
Which point is considered effective for disharmony between the heart and stomach?
14.
Ren 14.
Goodly. Compared with Ren 12, Ren 10 is primarily selected for... Kanina pa yan, ha?
For the food stagnation,
Yeah.
hypergastric
Okay,
emptying.
what is the tongue picture of a patient with food stagnation? Makapal yung coating, very white.
Makapal yung coating niya, Doc.
Medyo mabaho siya. Okay. Which point is associated? Kasi di ba, mabaho kasi hindi nag-empty ang stomach, no? So, yung food niya. Ren 10, remember, bad breath, food retention, and also slippery pulse, no? Which point is associated with strengthening the middle tiao while transforming dampness? Hinahanap niyo si 12, no?
Ren, Ren 11.
Ano yan?
Kaloka ako.
Okay. Yung pala yun. Okay. Strengthening the spleen and stomach and also transforming dampness. Ren 7. Which point is commonly paired with PC6 for nausea, vomiting, and motion sickness?
Si Ren 12, si PC6.
Ren 12. Which point is most appropriate for epilepsy due to phlegm misting the mind with upper gastric symptoms?
Dito sa city aspect. Ren 13.
Kasi walang Ren 12. Which point is described as the gate to the Shen?
12.
No.
14.
Ren 14. Front mo of the heart, di ba? Gate to the Shen. Which Ren point should be inserted transversely, 0.3 to 0.5 soon, because it lies over the sternum?
16. Ren 16.
Yung kanina. A patient presents with chronic gastritis, epigastric pain, and reflux, poor appetite, spleen deficiency. Which single Ren is considered the principal treatment point?
For epigastric point, Doc, si ano yan si 12. Ren 12.
Oh. Which point is useful when emotional symptoms coexist with palpitations and upper gastrointestinal complaints? Remember, palpitation.
Palpitate. Heart na yan, no? May heart siya. Si ano to? Si Ren 14.
Very good. Which Ren point is located 7 tune above the umbilicus? So, umbilicus plus 7. 8?
15.
Okay. Which point combination is most appropriate for phlegm misting the heart with mental symptoms? Di ba naranasan mo rin yan? Joke lang.
Okay na ako.
Number 8.
Oo naman, sabi. Ginong ko lang kung naranasan. Kasi sabi ni Dina. Okay. Point.
Okay. So for the phlegm, di ba, Doc, si stomach 40 yan.
Okay.
Sa CBT or Ren, si 15.
Okay, tamang-tama. Kasi may stomach 40, so kasama niya si Ren 15. A patient is, ito naman, chest oppression with nausea and vomiting due to rebellious stomach chi. What will address both regions?
Both regions, Summer Bessie. Si Ren 16?
Wow, grabe. Okay. Ito yung naka-transverse, no, nakahiga, naka-ano. Which point's traditional description emphasizes releasing emotional attachments held by the E? Mga hugot. Answer.
Oh. Hulaan ko lang. Ren, either Ren 10 ako, tsaka Ren 11 eh. Nalilito ako eh.
Okay, so what is your choice?
Dalawa eh. Pipili ako. Sige, Ren 10.
Only one. Wow. Oh my God, how did you know?
Dalawa pinamimilian ko eh.
Okay. Now I can see the connection, no? Because di ba this is good for ito ba yun? Food retention, no? Food retention. Yeah.
Food
Which
retention yan to eh.
food retention. Tapos makapal yung coating. So worry ng worry. Emotions, no?
Oo.
Which Ren point has the strongest influence on all food organs?
12.
Si 12.
A practitioner wants to regulate the middle jiao and transform dampness. I think we know the answer here already. While tonifying the nutritive yin qi. Point.
Ren 11.
Yes. Wow, talaga. Sa ilalim ni Ren 12. Which point is most closely associated with opening the upper opening of the stomach?
12.
No.
13.
13.
13.
13. Upper opening. Which point
Kaya pala.
is particularly effective? Yeah, 13 is so effective for for GERD, for
GERD,
acid reflux.
Kaya pala nawala yung acid reflux ko. Tinuso ako mag-isa yung ano ko eh. Diyan, nawala. Effective.
Okay.
Ganun talaga.
Kaya alam mo, which point is affected for difficulty swallowing caused by rebellious chi?
Si 14, Ren 14.
Wow, difficulty swallowing.
Difficulty swallowing.
Which point is commonly combined with Ren 17 to relieve chest fullness and oppression?
17, 14, 17. Ren 15.
Wow. A patient has edema due to impaired transformation and transportation of fluids. Which point regulates the water passages? Easy.
Ren 9.
Yes, that was your answer also earlier. Which point is considered the best choice for persistent vomiting due to failure of stomach chi to descend? Always vomiting.
Vomiting, Ren 13 lagi yan.
13.
Wow. Okay. Which Ren point is traditionally described as helping a person digest life experiences?
Si Ren 12.
12.
Which point is indicated for heart fire disturbing the Shen?
Ren 14.
Yes.
14.
Patient presents with chest pain, acid reflux, hiccups, esophageal constriction. Point.
16. Ren 16.
Okay. Which point is known for nourishing the yin of all yin organs?
All yin.
12.
15.
Okay, 15.
12, 14, 15.
Yin
15.
of all yin organs.
All yin eh.
Okay. Which point has the greatest risk because of its proximity to both the heart and the left lobe of the liver?
Heart and left lobe. Heart and left lobe, heart, liver. Red 14.
Which point should be selected for food stagnation, accompanied by epigastric fullness after meals and belching?
Touching. Kapit. Paggas, pinag
Food
sa...
stagnation.
Red 10.
Okay.
Red 10.
Which RAND point is particularly valuable when treating both chest chi stagnation and rebellious stomach chi simultaneously?
TB pwede C4. Wala naman 14 dito. Wala nang isa. Red 16.
Galing, grabe. A patient with chronic worry develops bloating, indigestion, obsessive thinking. Point.
Obsessive thinking sa digestion. Okay, nag-ano to eh. Parang nag... Okay. Red 12.
Which point is commonly paired with lung 1 for difficulty swallowing and esophageal constriction?
Red 16.
Okay. Difficulty swallowing REN 16
Red 16
plus lung 1.
swallowing.
A patient has palpitations, insomnia, anxiety, emotional agitation due to phlegm fire affecting the heart. Which point serves as the primary frontal point for this disorder?
Santos, sa heart and lungs to eh, no?
12.
Red 14. 14, heart and lungs, red 14.
Which point is most appropriate when the chief complaint is infantile milk regurgitation? Yung mga bata, yung mga infant ba yan?
Depende.
Yung nating nag-ano tapos lumalabas ulit yung
Sa lactation ba to, Doc?
Oo, lumalabas, nagre-regurge, bumabalik.
Nagre-revert siya. Sa ganyan, si Milky, Brand 16.
Wow, okay. And the last one, which of the following correctly matches the RAND point with its primary clinical emphasis?
Sa Proud mo to pinag-uusapan natin, si Brand 12, Proud me of the stomach and effusions points of the full organ.
Okay, ano dapat si Hart-Shen disorder? Kasi mali si Ren, di ba?
Red. Oo.
So, ano dapat pag Hart-Shen?
CB14 ba or Ren 14?
Ren 14.
Ren
What
14.
about si water metabolism?
Water with
Di man si Ren 10. So, sino siya? Water metabolism. Manas-manas.
Ren 11.
Anong Ren 11?
Dito.
Ren 9.
9. Ren 9.
Okay. We're done. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you, Doc.
everyone, for joining us. So,